Welcome back, everyone. These are Q36.5 Adventure Cargo Bibs. Got these on sale just now. Nautica Blue Adventure Cargo Bib shorts from Q36.5. Okay, made in Italy apparently. So taking these out actually. Comes in a nice, well, a little band. These are size small. Okay, I got these on sale. Have a look at them. They look pretty good. Let's have a look at the pockets. Okay, just normal pockets. There's no zippers, unlike the last video I showed you, which was from can't remember the name, YKYW Chinese brand. They had a zipper on it on the side. These ones don't have the rubber stuff on the leg. Straps normal on the back, just one tiny little pocket on the back. So we'll look at the chamois. Okay, the chamois, you see it's like a two-piece. Well, there's a covering here and the inner. Let's have a look at the stitching, shall we? Ooh, I wonder if these leave a mark. See, so the stitchings are, they're not invisible stitching, so they do stand out. So I wonder if these will leave a mark after a while. But I have to test it first. Anyone wore these before? Do they leave a mark? It depends how tight they are, I guess. These are comfortable, not loose, but not really tight. Thanks for watching. I'll get back with an update on them.